This is how to create a cryptocurrency account within 5 minutes. So please make sure that you stay with me in the next 5 minutes so that we create this cryptocurrency account and start trading. First, you create the account. Second, you get verified, you verify your identity, and you also provide proof of residence. In this case, we are going to create Nuns Wallet account. And for us to create the Nuns Wallet account, we use the link that I have posted in the comment section and in the description box below. To go to the internet, to our Google, then we are just going to search it. Now, ensure that you have copied the link that is in the comment section and in the description box below. Go and paste it on your browser, then you click there. Then you just wait for the window to open. Yes. Now, when the window open, you are coming to the Nuns wallet. This is the Nuns page where we are going to start creating our account. Remember, we are signing up and we have two different ways of signing up on Nuns wallet. We can either sign up by using our mobile number or we can sign up by using an email address. In this case, I want to use an email address. So I'm going to type in my email address and the password that I will be using in this particular account. So let us do that. That is the email address and the password that I have chosen for my account. So next, I'm going to click on create account. Yes. After that, there is just something that I have to verify. I have to verify that I am not a robot, so make sure that you do it right. Yes, and just like that, it is okay. We are waiting for another window to open. Then there is a 6-digit code that has been sent to my email. So please ensure that the email that you are provided, you have an access to that particular email. So that is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to look for that 6-digit code, then just place it there. Yes, up to that point, I have created my account, but there's something that I still need to complete. Now you can see you can create your account in 3 easy steps. The first one, I have to verify my email. I will enter the verification code sent to my email. Now I have done that. The second thing in Nuns Citizen ID. Claim your Nuns Citizen ID and gain access. Get started. Now the very first step has been completed. The second step is now to key in my personal details. I'm going to start with my name, my first name, second name or last name, then my date of birth, then my country of residence. So I'm going to do that very fast. Yes, so up to here, it is okay. I have keyed in my personal detail that they are asking for. So I'm just going to confirm and join. Yes, and you can see they are now welcoming me to the Nuns wallet. Let me take a tour and see some of the things that are found within Nuns wallet. Of course, there are some of the things that have not done. There are some of the things which I am yet to do. But let me just take a tour and see what I'm going to do next. You can take a tour with me. Now guys, up to that point we are good. Now the next step is to come to where you have your profile. Remember, you have created your account, you have done 2 verifications, you are now here. You have keyed in some of your personal details. Now let us come to where we have our profile so that we can see what exactly is contained there. There's some of the things which we are yet to do. Remember, we have talked about identification verification and also providing of the proof of residence, and even the mobile number, phone number are supposed to be added. So let us see how we are going to do that. So you click on your profile. You can see here we have your profile, the trade statistics, the accounts as settings, submitting an idea and logging out. So we are going to the account settings because that is where we have the verification, the security features and the notifications. Now, when we come to the account setting, the very first setting option that we have is to now add our phone number. If you have the phone number which you want to add to your account, you are just going to add it here, then you are going to click confirm. That is the very first step in these confirmations. Then the second one, you are going to be asked to give the verification code that will have been sent to that particular mobile number. You will place it there. Then the next thing, we are still on the profile. We are just trying to optimize our profile outlook. The last thing in this case, you are going to just place your bio. Remember, your bio is what gives you credibility in this market. This is a peer-to-peer marketplace, and therefore giving a short description of who you are will give credibility to even those people who want to trade with you. Now you can just give a simple bio or history of yourself as a trader. Remember, you are giving your history as a trader, not where you are coming from. Yes, once you do that, we are remaining with verifications. So we are coming to where we have the verification. We click on verification. Now this is where we have the verifications. Remember, the first verification has already been completed. This is the email verification. And the email verification was completed the moment we entered the OTP that was sent to that email. Then the next one is the identity basics verification, where you are confirming your name, date of birth, and starting to trade. That is another thing that we have done, and we did that when we were keying in our date of birth and even the first and the second name. Then the third one, which is also very important, remember, you are not going to be able to trade with majority of the vendors who are found within this particular cryptocurrency exchange if you are not going to conduct the identification verification. So you are going to verify your ID to raise your limits and trade with more confidence and trust. For the identification verification, we normally upload our national ID or any other ID that is accepted by the NUNS wallet. Mostly, if you are in Kenya, you are going to upload your national ID, and also you may be required to upload your face or your selfie. Then the very last option in this case, or the last step in this verification process, is proof of address verification. This is available upon request after identity verification. So you cannot perform proof of residence verification before you complete the ID verification process. So what happens under the identity verification? You are going to upload your ID. What happens under the proof of residence verification? You are going to upload anything that shows exactly where you live. For those people who are in Kenya, you can actually use the KRA certificate or KRA PIN certificate to prove where you live. For some other countries that are not Kenya, I know you understand the kind of document that you can use to show where you live. Now let us move to the next one. We are now moving to the security features. We want to increase the level of security of our account. This is where we are going to enable the two-factor authentication features. And also setting the questions, the security question. The first one is to set answers to the security questions before setting up the 2FA. You are going to click here, then set it up. Then the second one, you are going to go to Google Authenticator or OT. This is highly recommended. So if you want your account to be very safe, you are going to use the Google Authenticator or OT. Then the next one, you are going to use email. This is a unique time-bound code sent via email. So you can always verify. Remember, these particular verifications will always occur whenever you are logging in, whenever you are sending cryptocurrency outside your account, and also whenever you are releasing a cryptocurrency when trading in the peer-to-peer marketplace. So guys, up to here, if you are going to perform all these things that we have talked about, your account will be up and you will be able to start trading in the peer-to-peer marketplace. Now we have done everything. Let us see how you purchase your first cryptocurrency. You come to where we have the trade button. Then the very first option is P2P trading. This is the market. You are going to click. When you click, you are going to see a very large number of vendors and offers that are being traded in that particular market. Yes, so if you want to buy Bitcoin, it is your first time and you want to buy Bitcoin, you are just going to come here. These are some of the vendors who are selling Bitcoin. Here you are going to see the kind of payment method they are using. Here you are going to see the kind of coin they are trading. This is Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. You are also going to see the price at which they are selling that particular cryptocurrency. For example, in this case, you will be paying 1,000 Kenyan shillings and you will get BTC worth 999.99 Kenyan shillings. So that is exactly how it is done. About how the Nuns wallet looks, how it is being used, how you can make money from it, how you can actually use it for various transactions and trade activities we will be covering